Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into how global headlines are shaking up the world of Bitcoin and what it means for investors and traders alike. Bitcoin just saw a major price jump, and it's not random. Global events are driving this move. The surge isn't just a blip, it's a direct response to what's happening around the world. The biggest catalyst? Talks of a potential ceasefire in the Middle East, which has boosted optimism across all markets. When peace seems possible, investors tend to feel more confident, and that's reflected in the price of assets like Bitcoin. Lower oil prices are also helping, easing inflation fears and making risk assets like crypto more attractive. Cheaper energy costs ripple through the economy, giving people more confidence to invest in assets with higher risk and potential reward. This shows how Bitcoin reacts to world events, not just crypto news. It's a reminder that the crypto market is deeply connected to the broader financial landscape. The takeaway: crypto doesn't exist in a bubble. It's influenced by everything from politics to commodities and even global peace talks. International politics and commodities like oil matter. These factors can shift market sentiment in a matter of hours or even minutes. Staying informed about global events is as important as watching the charts. Successful traders keep an eye on both, knowing that news can move markets just as much as technical analysis. The big question: can this positive momentum last, or is it just a short-term reaction? Only time will tell, but understanding the drivers behind these moves is key. Let's break down what to watch next so you can stay ahead in this fast-moving market. Let's talk numbers, because right now the market is at a pivotal moment and every move counts. Bitcoin is at a critical point, with traders and investors alike watching every tick and candle for signs of the next big move. The key resistance is $64,500. If Bitcoin breaks and holds above this level, it signals that buyers are taking charge and momentum could quickly build. The main support is $60,000. If the price falls below this crucial level, we could see a sharper drop as sellers gain confidence and push the market lower. Traders are watching these levels closely. The next move depends on which side wins the battle between buyers and sellers. A breakout above $64,500 could open the door for a rally toward $67,000 or even higher as bullish sentiment takes over. On the flip side, a drop below $60,000 might mean a retest of $56,000 or even $52,000, putting more pressure on the bulls and shaking market confidence. Patience is key. Wait for confirmation before making moves, as false breakouts and sudden reversals are common in volatile markets like this. Watch these levels for clues on Bitcoin's direction, and remember, staying alert can make all the difference in your trading strategy. Some traders see a possible inverse head and shoulders pattern forming on Bitcoin's chart. This pattern can signal a trend reversal if confirmed by a break above $64,500. If that happens, it could mean a strong move higher. But remember, it's just a possibility. Patterns aren't guarantees. Don't trade on hope, wait for confirmation. The $64,500 level is crucial for both technical and psychological reasons. Keep this pattern in mind, but don't let it drive your decisions alone. Bitcoin's moves set the tone for the whole crypto market, acting as a barometer for sentiment and momentum across all digital assets. Ethereum recently bounced from the $2,800 support level and is now testing resistance at $3,100. If it manages to break above this barrier, the next target could be $3,300, which would signal renewed bullish momentum for the second largest cryptocurrency. Solana, after rebounding from the $120 zone, is now facing a key resistance at $145. If buyers push it above this level, the next significant target is $160, which could open the door for further gains and increased trading activity. XRP is attempting to reclaim the 52 cents level after bouncing off 48 cents support. If it can hold above 52 cents, the next hurdle is 55 cents, a level that could determine whether XRP can sustain its recovery. Chainlink has recovered from $13 and is now testing resistance at $16. A decisive breakout above this area could see Link targeting the $18 to $20 range, attracting more attention from traders and investors. The story is similar for most altcoins. Many have found strong support and are now challenging resistance levels, mirroring the broader market's cautious optimism. Ultimately, the next moves for these coins depend heavily on Bitcoin's direction, as it remains the primary driver of market trends. If Bitcoin breaks out to the upside, expect altcoins to surge in tandem, often with even greater volatility and potential gains. But if Bitcoin falters or pulls back, altcoins will likely retest their support zones, and some may see sharper corrections. In the end, Bitcoin is the conductor of this digital orchestra. Altcoins follow its lead, echoing its every move across the market. With all this action, it's tempting to jump in, but caution is key. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto is volatile. Always use a stop loss to protect yourself from sudden drops. Wait for confirmation before buying. Don't chase green candles. A daily close above resistance is a stronger signal than a quick spike. Stay updated on news and market trends. Things change fast. Keep learning, manage your risk, and think for yourself. A calm, strategic approach is how you survive and thrive in crypto. Thanks for watching. Stay smart and stay safe.